Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. In this tutorial we are going to see how to install MySQL Server and Workbench on a Windows system. So what we did in our previous tutorials, we have used some web editors to practice the SQL basic topics like W3 schools or programming SQL editor. So now it's time to install MySQL Server and Workbench. So in this tutorial we are going to cover end-to-end like steps, step by step things how we can download the MySQL Server and Workbench. Let's start with it. So we have to write MySQL in Google, write MySQL and then search for it. Okay. After searching MySQL, this first result will come that https www.mysql.com. So you have to click on this guys. Okay. After this page will open guys. So here we have this download sections. So we have to click on download section. So guys, you can click on download section. Okay. After clicking on download section, this MySQL official like a page where we can download this softwares, MySQL Server and Workbench is opening. Just scroll down. Okay. Now, if you will see here, these are the some soft editions available. So MySQL Community Edition, you will be able to see there. This is the link available. MySQL Community GPL downloads. You have to click on this. Click on this, guys. Okay. Now MySQL Community downloads. So we have to go with MySQL installer for Windows. So after that, we can click on this. Okay. After clicking on that, we have like came to this page where MySQL community downloads is showing MySQL installer, and this is the latest version is coming guys, 8.0.46. And then by default, if you will see, select operating system, it is coming as Microsoft Windows. Okay, and these are the installer packages, Windows 32-bit or Windows 32-bit. It So these are the two packages. So we can go with the second one by default. I'm going with that. You can also go with that. Click on download, and then after clicking on download, this page will appear. So just click on this no thanks. Just my start my download, and download will start. Yes, our download has been started. So maybe it will take some like few minutes of time. So we have to wait for that. Since I already have downloaded this, I'm just skipping this step. You have to wait guys till this load is complete. It will download one .msi file, installer file. Okay, once this file is downloaded, so you have to go in your download section, go to downloads. Okay, after that you will be able to see MySQL installer community 8.0.46.0 msi file. So you have to double click on that. Okay, now it is going to like, initiate your installation in the system. Just wait for it. It will ask us for some permissions, so we have to allow that. Click yes. Okay, now this installation window came. So here it is asking choosing a setup type. So here we have to do custom. There's many options available: server only, client only, full, custom. Custom we have to click, and then click on next guys. Okay, so here these three things are there: MySQL server, application, documentation. We have to select manually. So MySQL server, this we are going to install. First you have to select this MySQL server, and then products to be installed. This is section where we have to add our products which we are going to install. Just click on this arrow. Yes, MySQL server we are going to install that we added. Then applications, MySQL Workbench. So Workbench also we have to install guys. This is the UI. with help of which we can work with the MySQL server and database. Click on this, then add this. Yes, we added MySQL Workbench, then MySQL shell. Okay, click on this MySQL shell, expand it, and then click, and then add it also to the product to be installed. Okay, and then once all MySQL Server, Workbench, and MySQL shell we added in the list of products to be installed, click on next. Okay, these all are ready to install. All came which we selected. Just click on execute, guys. Then one by one, all of these will get installed. So now MySQL Server is getting installed, and this progress we can see here. This will take some couple of minutes, so we have to wait till it get completed. So these are the several stages in the installation, choosing a setup type. So products we selected, then installation is currently in progress, and then product configuration and installation complete. That is the final stage we have. These one by one stages we have to complete, and then finally our MySQL server and Workbench will get installed on the system. Okay, so all three MySQL server, Workbench, and shell, that installation status is complete. So we can go ahead with the next step. Click on next. Okay, and then now if you see, you will see in product configuration we have product MySQL server 8.0.46 and status is ready to configure. Click on next. Okay, so guys, now this type and networking page is open. So here we have like this port 3306. We have to keep as it is default port, and then click on next. Okay, now if you will see authentication method came, use a strong password encryption for authentication, and it is recommended, guys. So click on next. We have to set password. Okay, so now it is asking root account password. So root is a admin account, guys. Okay, it is a super user. So you have to set your MySQL root password. You can set your own password. Okay, click on next. Okay, now here you will see Windows service name MySQL 80. Then start the MySQL server system at startup. So what will happen when we are installing? So by default, MySQL server, like a shell will open, and then Workbench is also going to open. Click on next. Then it is asking us server file permissions. Our files and everything will get saved here in the C drive, program data, MySQL server 8.0, inside that data folder. So yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows service. Click on next. Okay, now these are the apply configuration. These are the configuration steps are there. So click on execute. One by one, each step will get executed. So you have to click on execute, guys. And then finally we are at the end of installation. Click on finish. Okay, the next configuration is complete, so we can click on next. Okay, and then finally in the installer page, installation complete, this window will come. So click on finish, guys. So now as I like mentioned, it will launch MySQL shell and MySQL workbench. So it did. So again, one step is there. We have to add our MySQL path to the environment variables, guys. So go to this PC in your like files folder location, then local disk C drive. Okay, inside a C drive, C program files folder will be there. Click on that. Okay, inside program files, C for the MySQL folder. Yes, this is the MySQL folder. Click on it. Okay, inside that you will be having MySQL server, MySQL shell, MySQL workbench. So you have to click on MySQL server 8.0. Okay, inside that you will be having bin folder. Okay, now copy this path. Okay, and then here you will search for the environment variables, and then click on this. Okay, in the advanced section, you have to click on environment variables. Okay, after clicking on environment variables, here if you will see system variables are there. Inside system variable, you have to look for the path and then double click on that. Okay, so in these paths, guys, we have to add our path. So already, I think for me it is coming as added, but I will show you. I'm just removing delete and then add a new. Okay, so this way you have to add this path and then you have to click on OK. Okay, then click on OK. Finally here. Okay. Okay, now finally it's time to like open a command prompt, CMD, search for CMD, then open command prompt, and now we can check for the MySQL version, guys. MySQL you will type and then version. Yes, MySQL version. Just a minute, let me minimize. Okay, MySQL version 8.0.46 we have. Okay, now I will log into my SQL. My SQL hyphen U we will type and then root hyphen P. So MySQL hyphen U is for the user, root is the admin user or super user root, and then hyphen P for password. So hit enter. So on the next line, it is asking enter password. So the password which we have set root password that we have to enter, guys. Do that password and enter. Yes, welcome to MySQL monitor. So now we have logged into MySQL. So here, if I have to see what all databases are there in MySQL, so I can write show databases semicolon enter. Okay, these are the by default system having databases, information schema, MySQL, performance underscore schema, sys. Okay, and if you just want to create one schema there, how we can create? Create schema lab and then semicolon enter. Yes, query okay, one row affected. And then if you will use show data bases, enter. Okay, so now if you will see addition to that, your lab schema is also coming now, or lab database is now also coming now. So similarly, we will see in the MySQL Workbench, guys. So this is a MySQL Workbench. You have to click on this local instance MySQL 80, and then after that, here you have to give root password. This will be your user root, and then click on save password in Vault. Click OK. Okay. Now this is the finally MySQL Workbench UI, guys, where we can work with our MySQL Server database. And this is the administration tab and this is the schemas tab. So we have lab and sys schema, and this is the editor where we can type our queries like show schemas. If I'm typing to see all schema and then run it. Yes, this is the result: information schema, lab, MySQL, performance schema, and sys. So this way we have installed our MySQL server, guys. Thank you. We'll see you in the next session.